Growing a business is hard, and these founders crack the code by hiring smarter, not harder. Just watch this.
Hey guys, so this is a quick video testimonial review for the folks over at Fava. And so I actually didn't come across Fava. Our CEO did. I think they were in a mastermind together with maybe the owner of Fava and had rubbed elbows, knew what you guys do, and then reached out to see if you could help us with our staffing needs. As far as what our experience has been, it's been professional, top to bottom, left to right, every single time and every single way that we've dealt with the guys at Fava. They've been on the ball, to say the very least, and just on top of everything, more so than even we were, which is helpful in the hiring process, especially as a startup. A bunch of moving pieces and things can get lost or misplaced or slowed down because of that. And the guys at Fava are always on top of it, so very grateful and appreciative of that. What I would say to somebody who's kind of on the fence, or maybe another business owner who's looking at the opportunity to work with Fava, has absolutely had that conversation. They've been patient with us in our hiring process. We were very specific on what it was that we were looking for, and they were able to accommodate us in finding. We've had 3 hires now through Fava, and again, being patient throughout the process, kind of walking us through. They've done it hundreds, if not thousands of times, and we had not. And so leaning on their guidance and expertise when it came to hiring has been invaluable. To that end, we've been extremely satisfied and happy with the hires that we have from Fava. Again, we have 3 right now for maybe 6 months or so, and no signs of losing those employees. They've been awesome for us, and so we're happy to continue to grow together and be growth partners with them. And I guess in general, feedback is just keep doing what you guys are doing. It's been an awesome experience. Very grateful and appreciative of you guys continuing to reach out and check in and make sure that the hires are performing at or above what we expected them to, and they have been. So again, we've been nothing but satisfied and happy, and grateful for you guys. Thanks, guys.
If you like what you heard, let's build a remote team and help you get your time back. Go to remotelatinos.com and click on the description below.